On a quiet, shady plot of land in Poznań, Poland, stands a house that is more than just a residence, but a living space that unites a large family in harmony with nature. This house was built not to simply highlight its architectural design, but as an honest response to the needs of people, space, and the tall trees that were already present on the site. The basic concept is simple yet powerful. A large family, with different generations and varying needs, wants to live together in one home. Not only physically together, but also providing space for each individual to have privacy, comfort, and emotional connection. This is where the idea of a modular home was born, where each functional space stands alone yet remains interconnected. This house explicitly uses the concept of cut-off blocks or modules between spaces as part of its core architectural design. This is an example of spatial fragmentation that is not only aesthetic, but also functional, contextual, and highly eco-sensitive. The plot on which this house is built is surrounded by dense, tall trees. Rather than cutting them down for light, the architects chose to adapt. Sunlight is directed in through the asymmetrical roof with skylights, rather than through side windows. This is the architecture's way of speaking gently to nature, not opposing it, but rather following its rhythm. Function is the primary principle. This house not only accommodates daily life, but also serves as a place to rest, work, nurture relationships, and even welcome guests with the comfort of a small resort. There's a main kitchen, a secondary kitchen, a living room, a mezzanine office, a basement with a wine cellar, and an integrated spa area. Despite all this complexity, the house still feels light. The fragmentation of space not only makes the building scale more humane but also creates a natural flow of air and light. A passive ventilation system and natural lighting make the house more energy efficient, cool in summer, and bright in winter.